What if I told you that storing gold IRA metals at home could trigger a tax bomb that wipes out half your retirement account? Or that one investor rolled over $300,000 into a gold IRA and immediately lost $150,000 to hidden fees? Today I'm exposing the truth about gold IRAs, the good, the bad, and the absolutely devastating mistakes that destroy accounts every single day.
Welcome back to another Straight Talking episode. I'm the Diversify Guy. I've been calling it like I see it for years now. While traditional finance advice remains largely unchanged, I'm sharing information about alternative investment options that you might not know exist. Remember, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, just an enthusiast, so always consult with a financial professional before making investment decisions.
Today we're diving deep into gold IRAs, and I'm not holding back. After analyzing IRS regulations, court cases, and real investor horror stories, I'm laying out everything you need to know before putting a single dollar into precious metals retirement accounts. Look, gold IRAs can be powerful portfolio diversifiers, but they're also a minefield of regulations, fees, and outright scams that the slick salespeople won't tell you about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set one up the right way or whether you should avoid them entirely. Let's start with the basics. A gold IRA lets you hold physical precious metals, actual gold coins and bars, inside a tax-advantaged retirement account. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. Here's what actually happens. You need a specialized custodian who charges fees. The IRS demands your gold be stored in approved depositories, never at home. The entire process takes 3 to 6 weeks, not the 24 hours some dealers promise. And you'll pay $200 to $600 annually just to maintain the account. But here's why people still do it. Gold has maintained purchasing power for 5,000 years while the dollar lost 96% of its value since 1913. During the 1970s inflation crisis, gold went up from $35 to $850, a 2,300% gain. And when stocks crashed 50% in 2008, gold actually went up. The question isn't whether gold belongs in your portfolio, it's whether a gold IRA is the right vehicle for you. You've got 4 options, and choosing wrong could cost you thousands. Traditional gold IRA. You get tax deductions now, but pay taxes on everything when you withdraw. Contribution limit, $7,000 in 2025 or $8,000 if you're over 50. The catch, required minimum distributions start at 73 and missing them triggers a 25% penalty. Roth Gold IRA. No deduction now, but your gains are tax-free forever. Same contribution limits, but here's the kicker. No RMBs during your lifetime. If you think taxes are going up, this is your play. SEP Gold IRA. For the self-employed ballers, you can contribute up to $70,000 or 25% of your income. Running a successful business, this is how you shelter serious money. Simple Gold IRA. Small business owners with under 100 employees can contribute $16,500 or $21,750 if you're 60 to 63, thanks to new catch-up rules. Most people default to traditional because they want the deduction. But if you're under 40, Roth all day. That tax-free growth compounds for decades. Forget the get gold in 24 hours nonsense. Here's what actually happens. Week 1, research 3 to 5 companies. Get fee schedules in writing. Check Better Business Bureau ratings. This takes 5 to 7 days if you're serious. Week 2 to 3, open your account. 30 minutes online, processed in 1 to 3 days. Then funding, which is where things slow down. Cash contributions, 1 to 5 days. IRA transfers, 7 to 14 days. 401k rollovers, 10 to 20 days minimum. Some 401k administrators take 3+ weeks because they move at the speed of government. Week 3 to 4, select your metals, process the purchase, ship to depository, another 7 to 10 days. Total realistic timeline, 3 to 6 weeks. Anyone promising faster is lying or cutting corners that could destroy your account. This is where people get wrecked. The IRS doesn't play around, and ignorance isn't a defense. What you can actually buy. Gold must be 99.5% pure. Exception: American Eagles are only 91.67% pure, but still approved. Silver needs 99.9% purity as well. Platinum and palladium require 99.95%. Stick to the classics: American Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, Gold Buffaloes. If someone's pushing rare or collectible coins, run. They're not allowed in IRAs, and dealers can make 40 to 200% commission selling that garbage. The storage rule that ruins lives. You cannot store IRA gold at home, period. I don't care what YouTube guru told you about LLC loopholes, it's illegal. The penalty, your entire IRA becomes immediately taxable, plus a 10% early withdrawal penalty if you're under 59 and a half. One documented case, a couple stored $300,000 in IRA gold at home. The IRS found out. Result, $105,000 tax bill plus $30,000 in penalties. The retirement was destroyed. Your only legal option, IRS-approved depositories like Delaware Depository, Brinks, or Texas Precious Metals Depository. Yes, it costs $100 to $300 annually. No, there's no other way around it. Let me break down what you actually pay, not be as low as marketing garbage. Setup fees, $50 to $300, often waived over $50K. Annual maintenance, $75 to $300. Storage, $100 to $250 for standard, $150 to $300 for segregated. Transaction fees, $10 to $100 per trade. Wire transfers, $25 to $50 each. Liquidation, 1 to 3% when selling. On a $50,000 account, you're looking at $200 to $600 annually. That's a 0.4 to 1.2% expense ratio, higher than most stock index funds. But here's what they don't tell you. Account closure fees, $50 to $260. Paper statements, $5 to $20 per year. Rush processing, $50 to $100 plus. One company, Red Rock Secured, was caught marking up metals 130% while claiming 5% premiums. They defrauded customers out of $50 million. Always get fee disclosures in writing before sending a penny. Scam number 1, the collectible coin con. These rare coins will outperform bullion. No, they won't. Stick to common coins. Scam number 2, the home storage hustle. Store your IRA gold at home with this one weird LLC trick. Completely illegal. Triggers immediate taxation of your entire account value. Don't be stupid. Scam number 3, the pressure play. Unsolicited calls, limited time offers, refusing to provide written fees, all red flags. The FTC documented cases of fake officials convincing retirees to buy gold and hand it to couriers. One 77-year-old lost $400,000. If they won't give you time to think or consult advisors, hang up immediately. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1, make sure you have at least $10,000 to invest. Less than that, buy physical gold directly. Step 2, get info from your chosen provider. Get fees in writing. Step 3, choose your structure. Under 40, go Roth. Want deductions now? Traditional. Self-employed? SEP. Step 4, fund with direct transfers only. Never take possession of rollover funds. Step 5, buy basic bullion. Eagles, Maple Leafs, Buffaloes, nothing collectible. Step 6, review statements quarterly. Plan for RMBs if traditional. Rebalance if gold exceeds 20%. Look, gold IRAs aren't for everyone. They're expensive, complex, and one mistake can destroy your retirement. But for the right investors, someone with substantial savings who understands the rules, they're powerful diversification tools. The key? Go in with eyes wide open, follow the rules religiously, and never fall for the scams. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more no BS investment education. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. I read every single one. Want to learn about the cheapest countries to buy gold? Check out this video right here. I'm the Diversify Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.